Hey guys, I want to give you an up close look at this Airplus dehumidifier so you can easily see the features, functions, and the overall look of it. So just a quick look at the front. It looks really sleek and nice. I love that. I love the louver here for the fan. It opens and closes really nice. Then again, just the features. So obviously power button, and let me get close so you can hear what it actually sounds like. So you can see right here we're on high mode. Oh, actually, let me open this up too because I noticed that when this isn't open, when you don't have the fan louver open, it sounds a little louder. So now we're on fan mode. You can see and hear it kick into drying mode. Here's low. You see it shake and go to low. And then I'll do it on high again since I had the louver shut. All right, so there it is. It kicked into high. So it also has an ionizer option. You can see that light up if you like the ionizers. And then you also have your timer. So you can go from 0 up through 24, whatever you want. And then yeah, and of course it has your defrost button or light if it does need to defrost. I haven't had that problem with it yet, but so yeah, that's it, guys. Up close, it's a really nice dehumidifier. It's nice and quiet. The tank back here is really nice. So yeah, again, I think it's a really cool dehumidifier, and I do recommend it.